Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to install the ink cartridge into the Speedball fountain pen, and that's coming up. Alright, so if you were following me along on my last video, I showed you the unpacking of the Speedball fountain pen, which you're seeing here now. Here's the package as it came in. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the cartridge now. So you want to pull the pen apart and you want to grab a nib. It doesn't matter which one you grab. You want to take this cartridge, right? So you see the barrel here. Now what you want to do is you want to push it in until it clicks. So once you heard it click, then you're ready to go. Now what you want to do is you want to shake it a little bit. You want to screw it into the pen. See, it's got the little opening so you can see once you start running out of ink. And you're going to screw it in. Now you're going to wait, you're going to shake it up, you're going to wait for the ink to start to flow. Now let's move this aside and get some paper on here and try to get some drawing going. Okay, so thanks again for all your comments and everybody that's checked out the previous video, and really appreciate everybody talking and sharing your thoughts on how to use this. And as you can see, it's all ready to go. And now we got some cool lines going. So if you're interested in where to purchase this pen, I got it at a store called Michael's, which was kind of disappointing. They didn't have much of a variety as far as these pens are concerned, which is very sad to see that this is the only one they had. I wish they would have had a little bit more of a variety, but you got to make do with what you have, right? So, and this being my first fountain pen, I kind of like it. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to keep going with the drawing. I hope you found this useful. If you want to see more, you check out the link right here. You're going to see the unboxing of this. And thanks again, and I look forward to hearing your comments. Alright, bye.